Guys, I have horrible news for you. I just found out you cannot factor every quadratic equation. But you know what the good news is? There's something called the quadratic formula for those situations. Yes, the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Maybe I'll play that in the background for you guys while I'm doing this. I'll look for it a little bit later. But by the end of this lesson, I hope that you are able to use something called the quadratic formula to find real roots. Okay, roots is another word for zeros. Guys, zeros. Of quadratic equations, and then use those roots to determine the equation of the axes of symmetry. What? The axes of symmetry? Well, just a foreshadow. Axis of symmetry cuts a quadratic or a parabola in half for the parabola and its vertex. Okay? And you remember what the vertex is. That's this little dot right here at the top of a quadratic or a parabola, or at the bottom of it. Okay, and the vertex right here. So the question is, how can I find the solutions or the roots, or again the zeros, to a quadratic equation that cannot be factored? Well, here we go. The answer to that is, if ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, then the solution or roots are determined by using the quadratic formula, which is given you here. Dun dun dun. Wait, let me do that again. Dun dun dun. This is an important one. This is the biggie, guys. If you forget how to factor, but you don't forget this, you can use this for any situation. That's why I'm circling it so many times. This can be used for anything, any situation. Okay? So in this next section right here, we are going to use this quadratic formula to find the roots of a quadratic equation. I got some nice steps for you down there.